Hi, this is Candace here, and I'm coming to you today with a craft project. I am going to be making a flower wall. So everything that I have today, I purchased from the Dollar Tree, with the exception of my 3D command strips, which is on the back, which I'm going to use. So I purchased the sticks from the Dollar Tree. We made the board, purchased the board from the Dollar Tree. Just taking the glue gun here. I'm taking these. Bless you.
Guys, has anyone seen my keys?
That's mine. Hands off. Okay, just leave it alone, Alvin. Do you think you can do that for 2 days in one night? Yeah, but why not open it now? I'll open it when I get back.
Okay, Simon, come on, let's go. We're gonna be late for the bus.
I mean it, Alvin. Hands off. No problem, Simon, okay? So listen, you're great time at nerd camp. Science camp. Science camp. Finally. Peace and quiet. What do you suppose is in it? Doesn't matter. It's not yours. You know what? This thing has got revenge written all over it. No, actually, it says Simon Savell. Do you really not know how to read? I am not going to just sit here and wait to be revenged on. I'm opening it. If I value opening Simon's package, you shouldn't be incapable. Oh, done. I know how we can tell what's in it without opening it. I'll be right back. Theodore, remember this? When Simon made his own X-ray machine? Okay, let's see. I turn this on here, and then it doesn't seem to be working. You're probably not doing that. Here.
One well done.
This one. Is this the new one? Theodore, you chew? Only when necessary. Here, give me that. I'm not chewing anything. David X-ray proof. Something's in there. Oh, I know. Maybe it's a tiny little alien. It's like a little UFO.
One well done.
Ridiculous idea that you're right. Alvin, it doesn't matter what's in there. It's fun. And clearly he doesn't want you to open it. How do you know? Because he told you. Yes, okay, that's the obvious, but we have to go deeper here, alright? Maybe, just maybe, he told me that knowing I would open it. Or maybe he said that because he knew that I knew that when you told me not to open it, then what? Something to stop the madness? I knew this would drive me crazy. Your job is to make sure he doesn't open this package. Got it? Yeah. The package? I can't stop thinking about it. What's in the package? Back away from the package, and no one gets hurt. That's it.
Okay, guys. I didn't want to bore you, so I filled in the roses, and I only have
2 more left.
I only have 8 slots left. Can you go sit down, guys? Give me the glue stick. This is why I don't want y'all in here, because y'all come in here and touch stuff. Thank you. They come in here and then stuff starts disappearing. So I'm going to, what I find is easier is for me to just put the glue gun in the hole and just stick the roses in the hole like so. I find that easier than to put the glue gun, put the glue on the rose itself. I'm doing them 2 at a time just to kill time, just to speed up the process. And the baby is right here because my husband just disappeared. Okay, we got 4 more to go.
You got 1 more, Mommy.
Two more. That has to go right there. And voila! I'm done. Isn't this so pretty? And then on the back, this is where I use the command strips. My husband insisted on putting 5. He's like, oh, it's heavy, it's gonna be heavy, and it's gonna fall down. And it's really not heavy. But I put 5. I'm gonna go hang it on her wall. Let's go see how it looks. Okay guys, this is the finished touch. I think I'm going to either add a rose here. Oh no, I just had to open it up. Just had to open it up. Where you see the white spaces, that's where I'm going to open it up. And when I was carrying it upstairs, one of the roses were missing right there. But you see where the white spaces are? I'm just going to open it up. But I think it looks perfect over her Minnie Mouse bed. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share this video. Bye.